everyone, how are you? It's Leah Coss with the Mortgage Center. I wanted to talk about rate holds because there's a little bit of confusion as to how this works. Now, when you walk into a bank and you get a rate hold, you're getting a rate hold with that specific bank, right? So if you walk into RBC, RBC says, okay, today's rate is 4%. We're going to lock you in with that for 90 to 120 days or 60 days for some, and that's what we're going to do. Come back to us in the next amount of time and we'll hold that rate for you. The mortgage broker, it's a little bit different. We don't have a magic button that says we are going to rate hold you at 4% with all of the lenders. We have to go into each lender and specifically get a rate hold with each of the ones that we think that you will fit the best with. So if you're not going to be buying today but you're going to buy later, you have to be as specific as you can with what you want and don't want. Is it going to be a rental? Is there going to be a basement suite? How many people are going to be on title? Do you need a co-signer? How much down payment do you have? Because then we need to go to each individual lender, and it takes just as much time as doing a full live application. We have to go to each individual lender and get a rate hold. Now when I do it, I typically do between 3 and 4 rate holds with 3 to 4 different lenders, and I'll try to get lenders that specialize in different areas. That way, if you happen to find a house that is a little obscure or unusual, or if you end up finding a house that is a rental or has an unauthorized suite, I've kind of got my bases covered. But it's important for you to know that if you do get a rate hold with me and you do find something that is completely different than what you were originally trying to get, I cannot guarantee that I can get that rate hold for you. So it's very, very important that you explore with me all of your different options that you're considering when buying a house in the next 120 days. Now, if you're looking to get a rate hold today, I probably won't get you one today. What I'm going to do is wait until I get my kind of 24-hour notice that I usually get from my lenders and just from the general media about rate increases. Then I'm going to lock you in. That way we've maximized the amount of time that that low rate is held for you. Keep in mind as well that if you are getting a rate hold, this only really applies to fixed rates. So a variable rate is what you're hoping to get, then a rate hold isn't really going to help you. But always good to double down and ensure that you do have your bases covered, because you can qualify for substantially more when it comes to a purchase price with a fixed rate than you can with a variable rate. So another thing to keep in mind. But if you have any questions about this, if you want to get a rate hold, if you already have a rate hold, if you're not sure if you have a rate hold but you want one, let me know. I can go through all of the ins and outs with you, discuss which lenders I'm going to put you with, and I guess go from there. So Leah Coss with the Mortgage Center. Hopefully I will be talking to you soon.